Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video, and welcome to the channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about makeup essentials for beginners. So if you're starting out with makeup and you're trying to pick a thing or two, this is the video for you. Before we get into the video, kindly click subscribe down below and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also make sure to give the video a big thumbs up and comment down below what other videos you'd like to see next, or if you've got any questions. With no further ado, let us get into the video. Okay, a few years back when you're asked what you need to get as a beginner, you would be told primer, but no, times have changed. We now know better. So the first product on my list that you would need as a beginner in makeup would be a micellar water. Micellar water will help to cleanse your face because you do not want to take back dirt onto your skin. So you have to make sure that your skin is thoroughly clean. Even if you're just coming out of the shower, it is still advisable for you to cleanse your skin, cleanse your face with a micellar water before you start any makeup process. Okay, so the first on my list will be a micellar water. Next, we will be going into a moisturizer. This would help to retain moisture back on the skin. Then the next product on my list would be a primer. Now a primer serves as a barrier between your skin and the makeup, and it also helps to smooth out the texture on your skin. So the three products that I have listed so far are a micellar water, a primer, and a moisturizer. I have a very detailed skin prep video before your makeup, and I think you should watch that. The video will be right here, so make sure to look out for this video and make sure to watch it and share it because it is very helpful. It is dedicated to skin prep before your makeup. And the next product would be your foundation. Your foundation helps to even out your skin tone. Okay, it helps to even out your skin tone. I have another video of me doing a minimal makeup tutorial. You will see how it even, once I applied the foundation, it just evened out my skin tone. So make sure to get a foundation that is exactly your shade. Next will be concealer. For concealers, there are highlighting concealer and the contour concealer. The highlighting concealer will help to hide imperfections too under the eyes, and it helps brighten up your under eye. Okay, to help brighten up your under eye. And for the darker shade of the contour concealer, it will help to create dimension around the face and create shadows and give the face structure. For the highlighting concealer, you want to go in with a shade or two shades lighter than your actual skin tone. This will help to brighten the under eye and give you that feeling that you are awake. Okay, now for contour concealer, it is the same as the highlighting concealer. You have to go in with a shade or two shades darker than you are to create that dimension around your face, because if you notice, when you apply your foundation, your face will be looking a little bit flat. That contour will create dimension and shadows around your face. Okay, so we have talked about micellar water, moisturizer, primer, foundation, and concealer. We have listed 5 products so far. If you're enjoying the video, go ahead and subscribe for more amazing videos, and also give this video a thumbs up as it helps me know that you enjoy this kind of content. Okay, moving on would be setting powders, because after you've gone in with all that cream, you want to lock those liquids in, and the best way to do that is with your setting powder. There's a loose powder, there's a pressed powder, and those are just the two basics. So for me, if I'm going to tell you what to get, if you're going to go with my advice, I would say go in with, get a pressed powder. If you're a beginner, just get a pressed powder. Now, the bonus tip here is that if you want to get this pressed powder, get a shade lighter. Say I'm shade 2. I'm going to get shade 1, which is obviously going to be lighter than I am. stick with me. And I'm going to get shade 3, which is going to be a tad bit darker than I am. What I would do with those powders is to use shade 1 to set my highlighting concealer to be able to brighten that my under eye, and use the shade 3 to contour and chisel out my face and give me dimension. Okay, then I would go in and mix the 2 powders to set the entire face. Next will be eyebrow pencil. Eyebrow just usually like creates gives shapes to the face. So the next would be an eyeshadow palette. Now for eyeshadow palette, I would not advise you to go splurging on big color palettes and big eyeshadow yet. Advise that you go into splurging on neutral tones eyeshadow that are in this small palette. Give me a minute, let me show you one. Now an example of that would be something like this. It has some gold, some black, I've already hit pan already, silver tones, brown and light brown already. So this is really simple. I can create different looks with this. Okay, so this, I've been using this so much already. So this is very small and compact, and I can use it to create whatever look I want. So you can get a small eyeshadow palette that has neutral tones and a bit of color in it if you're starting out already. Next will be mascara, because you want to just coat your beautiful lashes up. Next product on my list will be a setting spray. A setting spray will help to bring everything, the entire makeup look together, and it helps it to even last longer. Last on my lips will be a perfect lip gloss. You can get a nude lip. You can use your eyebrow pencil to line your lips and put on your lip gloss and go out the door, or you can get a lipstick, maybe nude colors first, and line your lips with your brown pencil and go in with your nude lip, then gloss on top. Or you can just go simple and just put on your gloss and you're good to go. These are, for me, essentials for every beginner. You have to have this. Everything on the list can create amazing looks that you would not even imagine. If you got value from this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and click the notification bell to always get notified. Also, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you already have in your kit, because I would love to know. Maybe I could go pick some for myself and add it to my own kit. Also, comment down below what part of the video was it for you. And until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.